Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm really happy that you're here to watch this video. Thank you, really thank you. I hope that life is treating you well and you're doing the best you can to stay happy and chill in these challenging times. My name is Carol and my art channel is called Carol's Art Oasis, a place to come to relax and be creative and express yourself. But anyway, getting on with today's video. Today's video is really special and I'm very excited about it. I've wanted to do a collaboration here for a very long time and finally it's happened. So today I'm collaborating with Yana Vallie, and she is a Bulgarian artist based in the UK and she does really wonderful art and art journaling. Her videos are art journaling and video realistic watercolors. Now I am reading from something, so please excuse me. I'm doing this because yes, I have watched lots of her videos and they're wonderful, but it's just to make sure the information is accurate. So she helps people find confidence through art journaling and creativity by sharing her journey on YouTube. She's recently been doing a tarot card series where she creates an art inspired by tarot cards and reinterprets the meaning or symbolic meaning of the tarot cards in art journaling and mixed media art lessons. Now I have watched her other videos and they're really beautiful. She does really gorgeous journaling pages. So guys, after this video, check hers out. But let's get on with today's video. In today's video, we have exchanged challenges. So we both took on like a calming or relaxing art activity, and I chose, I chose a task, like not a task, but an art activity, a calming, relaxing art activity, and I gave it to her. And she did the same for me. And the one that she gave me was hand lettering. And this is definitely something out of my comfort zone. I really have not done I've made a couple of attempts on this channel back in the early days to do some hand lettering videos, but really it's really not particularly my thing, especially being mildly dyslexic. Anything to do with words and stuff like that on camera, I'm not that comfortable with it. So I was very happy that she gave me this challenge. So I took it on and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I will of course leave links for her videos in the description, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the collaboration. Please try and watch both the videos. We both really need the support and the subscribers, especially as small channels. All the help we can get is so much appreciated. Thank you guys, enjoy the video. Bye for now. I don't know if you can see me very well here. Anyway, never mind. Well, I thought I would get some help by reading some magazines, you know, because this is a relaxing art activity. It's supposed to be really chilled. So I thought, let me just look through a magazine, see if I see anything that comes to mind. And I found this wonderful article here in Breathe. And there's a beautiful quote in it, and it's about mindfulness. It says, "To quench my longing, I bend low by the streams of the spirits of peace that flow in magical woods in the land of sleep." And it has the name of the author of that written below it, and I will of course leave that name in the description. I just can't pronounce it, that's all. Sarojini, Naidu. But I really want to do something in this, on this page. Now the page is nearly dry, so I thought, I'm going to do something nice to put that in there. So I'm going to do that in my art studio. I feel very chill, very relaxed now. I'm really happy that I took a few moments to have my matcha tea and to just kind of take a few moments out. It's really, actually, it's not something I do that often. I'm usually like I'll meditate in the morning, but then I'll just get on with the day. But never do I take time before I start my own art practice to sit down and just be kind of thoughtful for a few minutes. It's really good. I really recommend it. It's definitely something I'll be doing to integrate at least once or twice a week anyway. Nice tea too. So yes, let's move on. And we'll head to the studio. In there I will do some lettering type experiments, but I'll just keep it really relaxed. And then I will put the lettering onto the sketchbook page, because hand lettering is not really something I would do in my own practice, so that's why I'm taking a little time. And you know what, it's a new practice for me, and I'm just taking it very casually, very relaxed. And you guys, if you give this a go, I invite you to take it on in the same way. Alright, I'll see you in my studio. But thank you guys for staying tuned until the end, and thank you Yana for this brilliant collaboration. I've really enjoyed the whole thing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do hop onto her channel to see her video. The link is below in the description, or if I can put it here somewhere, I will. And that's the end of the video today. Please give a like, a comment and a subscribe. You've no idea how tough it is for small YouTube channels, and it would really help both of us massively to get some traction on this platform. Thanks again for watching. I hope you get some value from this. If you feel like you want to do the exercise, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I will leave the link for that below. And that's all for now. Thank you again. Have a great day and happy being creative. Bye for now. Bye.